Hello everyone! CF cards and USB flash drives are the well-known storage devices used by most portable electronic gadgets, and it's really painful if you lose your memorable photos or videos from it. Today in this video, I will show you how easily you can recover your photos or videos from these storage devices with the help of Stellar Photo Recovery software. Simply launch Stellar Photo Recovery software and click on Recover Photo, Audio, and Video option. Now connect your CF card or USB flash drive to your computer and select the corresponding drive location from the displayed list of drives. You can also refresh the drive list by clicking on the Refresh option if the external drive is not listed here. Now click on Scan Now option to scan the drive. The software searches for lost or deleted photos, videos, and audio from your selected media and lists down all the files in a tree-like structure. You can also select any particular file for preview after scanning. Select the required photos, videos, and audio and click the Recover option. Choose a desired location to save the recovered files and you are done! This is how easily you can recover lost or deleted photos and videos from CF card or USB flash drive with Stellar Photo Recovery software. So no more worrying about lost or deleted photos and videos from CF card and USB flash drive. Free download this amazing software to bring lost photos, videos, and audio files back to life.